Greetings from Zimbabwe. This is Ken Gallion from Call to Africa. Call to Africa is a connection ministry to where we connect teams, resources, and people from ministries in the United States to frontline third world missions, primarily on the continent of Africa. Call to Africa's vision is to touch the continent of Africa with the gospel of Jesus Christ. We're looking for trusted leaders in these nations that are inviting us, and on their invitation we come in, and from that we build relationships, and on that relationship centered around Christ, then the missions begin to work out themselves in practical ways, and the gospel goes out and it makes an impact. Now, I know that is so huge. I ask God, how can we ever do that? And we cannot believe that what started in 1995, one trip to Uganda, Africa, now we're in Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda, border of Congo, invitations into Tanzania. Also, we're in Botswana, we're in Zimbabwe today, Zambia, trying to get to Malawi, other countries, other invitations. We can't even cover all the needs. Come along with us and help us. And I know you may be saying, oh, what can I do? What can I offer? Listen, if you've been born again by the grace of Jesus Christ, you can help us. You can come along. You can sit beside. You can explain. You can pray. That's how the mission works out, is whatever gifts, whether it be medical, whether it be sports, whether it be youth, whether it be Awana, whether it be whatever, we use those gifts to go in and train and equip leaders who are saying, come help us. And it is our hope and our dream that you would come join us.
Come and experience this wonderful, beautiful country.
Here I am being obedient, and my heart is definitely full for sure.
I would tell anybody that is considering a trip to Africa, women with children, single people, no matter who you are, whatever fear you have, God is bigger than your fear.